Good morning, it's Thursday the 10th of March and this is your daily outlook. The euro plummets as expectations of an early rate hike fade. The euro fell today as eurozone debt problems continue. Rating agency Moody's downgraded Spain's debt and warned of a further downgrade, as well as commenting that Greece's default risk is high after it cut the country's debt by 3 notches earlier in the week. Sovereign bond yields remain at high levels and eurozone debt contagion fears continue to haunt the euro. Against the dollar, the single currency broke below the 139 level, falling as low as 138.02 from 139.40. Investors appear cautious ahead of an EU summit on Friday, which is expected to unveil measures to tackle the eurozone debt crisis. As focus now turns to the eurozone sovereign woes, expectations of an early interest rate hike by the ECB are fading. As the euro slides, the US dollar strengthens, supported by heightened risk aversion in the market. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar gained ground, extending gains for the 4th straight day. Today, the pair rose as high as 82.94 from 81.60 trading yesterday. Sterling fell ahead of the Bank of England interest rate meeting today. Against the dollar, sterling dropped to 161.56 from 162.41 trading yesterday. Investors are expecting rates to remain unchanged at 0.5%, but speculation on the central bank's policy intentions is very heavy. The Australian dollar slid against the greenback today, weighed by poor employment data. The country's unemployment rate remained unchanged at 5%, but the number of people employed in February surprisingly fell. The Aussie is also weighed by a report that unveiled China's unexpected trade deficit in February. Investors are now concerned that the central bank will not raise interest rates soon. The Aussie tumbled to a 2-week low at $100.33 from $101.31. Aussie's neighbour, the Kiwi, plummeted to 0.7349 versus the greenback after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand interest rate decision. Policymakers decided to cut interest rates by 50 base points, more than the 25 base points the market was expecting. Oil prices edged higher to $105 a barrel from $104.06. Gold prices also rose to $1,431.34 an ounce from $1,424.45. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 138.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 138.65. The dollar yen pivot point is at 82.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 82.65. Today's calendar and market movers: UK industrial production in January is forecast to gain 0.4%. UK interest rate decision is forecast to keep the rates unchanged at 0.5%, and US initial jobless claims is forecast to rise to 378,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities were negative yesterday, the SP 500 down 0.14% and the Dow was down 0.01%. European bourses were also negative, with the FTSE down 0.63%, the DAX was down 0.46% and the CAC was down 0.55%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 1.46% and the Hang Seng was down 0.72%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.